as the security forces continue to treat with the criminal elements in the country and are trying to release the stranglehold that they have on the country. We're seeing where they have been making gains and having successes in the retrieval and recovery of firearms and ammunition. And especially in 2017, we saw where there was about 1,000 guns that were retrieved by the security forces. With that, there were some 13,000 assorted rounds of ammunition, and the trend continues in 2018 as the successes continue. But this video now will look at just a few of the high-powered weapons that the security forces would have retrieved between 2017 to now. So this does not involve the handguns and pistols that the police would have recovered, but military-grade firearms, high-powered weapons that are languishing in communities across Jamaica.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
On the 10th of April 2017, a Bushmaster rifle was recovered in the Standpipe community. There was a major guns and ammunition find at the Montego Bay wharf on April 21, 2017, where 8 firearms and 1 high-powered rifle along with a shotgun and 1,046 rounds of assorted ammunition was seized. On May the 24th, 2017, a teenage girl was held with an AK-47 rifle in St. James. A gully rifle registered to the Asian police was seized in Rockford on the 4th of June 2017. 2 females were arrested after M16 rifle was found in the ceiling of a Rockford home on June 21, 2017. On July 17, 2017, 8 persons were arrested after AK-47 rifle was recovered in St. James. On July the 20th, 2017, high-powered weapons were among 15 guns and 4,000 rounds of ammunition seized at Newport West. Gunmen left behind an AK-47 after attacking cops on Tower Street. That was July 25th, 2017. Illegal guns and ammunition seized in Mount Salem. That was September 10, 2017. Among the seizure was an AK-47 rifle with 1 magazine and 5 live rounds. M16 assault rifle and 5 firearms seized in Cambridge, St. James. That was on the 14th of September 2017. 4 M16 rifle found in Flankers, St. James, September the 25th, 2017. AK-47 rifle found hidden in Gunmen, Kingston. That was on September the 29th, 2017. Cops would have recovered 19 guns in Kingston on October the 18th, 2017, and among that find would have been a number of high-powered weapons. High-powered rifle found washed up in Montego Bay gully on the 24th of November 2017 following major flooding in the city. More high-powered weapons continue to be recovered, and since the start of 2018, the trend has been ongoing. High-powered rifle and ammo seized by security forces in Flankers. That was on the 18th of January 2018. AK-47 rifle and Glock pistol plucked from rifle lane in Flanker, January 22nd, 2018. Modified M18 rifle and 3 magazine, one of which is a double barrel variant, an AK-47 rifle and 149 7.62 rounds were seized during a joint police military operation in Granville, St. James on Friday, January 26th. High-powered weapon ammunition seized in St. James on January 27, 2018. 1 Remington 12-gauge shotgun and 7 12-gauge cartridges was recovered by the police in the Kilmarnock community of St. Elizabeth on January 30th. 12-gauge shotgun, bulletproof vest seized in St. James. That was on the 13th of February. The shotgun and 2 bulletproof vests was recovered. High-powered rifle and ammo seized by cops in Westmoreland on the 17th of February 2018. It was a black RZG firearm and a quantity of ammo, including a empty magazine. M16 rifle, Glock pistol and bulletproof vest recovered by the police after shootout in Maypen on the 18th of February 2018. Cops seized rifle during operation in Spanish Town one Russian CZ-VZ-61 rifle with an empty magazine was discovered on February 22nd, 2018. Cops also found an AK-47 rifle with assorted rounds of ammunition and lead sheets in Westmoreland on the 2nd of March 2018.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them. Hey yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.